What a call it? Offensive. Pangilinan, in the ball to Santos. Back the ball to Pangilinan. Pangilinan with the left-handed dribbling. Pangilinan, back the ball to Santos. To Formento. For another 3. For out of 5. For Formento. On the 3-point side. Avilar. Looking for his teammate. Drop the ball to Tupas. Inching closer. Tupas got it by the 2. Kicks out the ball to Avilar. Wide open shot is good for Avilar. Pancho, but ball is stolen. But last touch on Avilar. Pangilinan, looking in, setting a play. Pangilinan with the left-handed dribbling. Down the ball to Formento. Picks the 3. Formento, 15 on the shot clock. Formento, the playmaker, the scoring machine. Drop the ball to Pangilinan. Out the high post. Pangilinan, picks, inching closer. Up, no good. Ball for the loose ball. Ball goes to number 8, Avilar. Avilar quickly attacking. At the left. Avilar, best player of his school. For the number 8, Avilar. Pangilinan, pass deflected. The next for 2, for Pancho. Overa, sink on the ball, to Tupas. Tupas at the left side. Tupas with the crossover, looking and setting. To number 2, Reyes, wide open 3. No good. Pangilinan for the rebound. To Formento. Formento picks up to Santos. At the base, gathering by Tupas. 15 on the shot clock. The big man Santos. Drops the ball to Formento. For another 3. This time is a miss for Formento. Tupas. Bringing down the ball quickly, but ball is stolen by number 18, Pancho. To Santos, the big man. To another big man, Pancho. Lays it up is good for Pancho. Tupas, gathering by Pangilinan. Pangilinan versus Tupas. One more situation, but ball is stolen by Pangilinan. Pangilinan, what the offensive foul. Offensive foul being called by Pangilinan. First personal foul for Pangilinan. First personal foul. 1 minute and